guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about the I Heart Revolutions and Macaroons palette. This palette is brand new, it is out now, and I have created this kind of galaxy, starship, whatever you want to call it, look for you guys today. But if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit that subscribe button? I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'll be happy to have you here. So like, have you hit that subscribe button already, or am I just going to wait for you? You have hit it? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I've already done my foundation and eyebrows, so I've done the base of my face. I'm just going to go in with the Macaroons eye palette, and I want to create a kind of orange blue look. So guys, these are the shades. They are a mixture of oranges, deep browns, blues, azure blues. I'm looking like the sky, like greenery. So I want to create a really fun look for you guys. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer lotion, and you know I use this for any eye look. This is the best, and we're just going to place on eyes, and then we are going to blend. Okay, so the first colour I'm going to go in with is, I want the top to be a kind of brownish bronze colour, and then go in with the blue on my eyelash line. So I think I'm going to go in with Baked with Love. This is Baked with Love. It's just a simple brown earthy tone. I'm just going to use it as a base. I'm taking my C6 View Belt eyeshadow brush. It is the best brushes in the world, guys. You know I love this brush. Yes, for Baked with Love. This is what I'm talking about. This actually is my go-to brownish colour that I love to use. I have a similar one that I use with the Naked Petite Heat palette. So yeah, and as you can see, this is, listen, this palette is what we're working with. It is pigmented, it is coming off, and as the young ones say, it is lit. We are then going to go in the lash line with Nom Nom. Beautiful. This is a beautiful teal, kind of like, it reminds me of a mermaid, like, what is the thing? The Little Mermaid. Yeah, it reminds me of Ariel, like her tail. That is really cute. I'm just going to take my Spectrum A18 brush. So whenever I'm doing something that I don't want it to like move too much, I always like to use this brush because it just literally is so stiff. And when I first got it, I was like, ew, why is this brush so stiff? But it's actually perfect for like when you're doing your crease line or you're doing your lash line. So just going to pop that underneath. That is absolutely beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. This is literally beautiful. I'm really loving this look already. I'm just going to take my crease brush from Real Techniques and just blend that all in. I'm then going to just take just a dab of Finishing Touch, just to give it a little bit more sparkle. And this is Finishing Touch. It's kind of like a grey metallic glitter. So I just want to add that just in the corners of my eyes. And just to round everything up, I'm taking Craze, which is another metallic glitter, like a bronzy metallic. And I just want to put that in my crease and blend that in. Okay, for highlighter, I'm taking the I Heart Revolution Angel Heart highlighter. I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. And it's more of a pinky tone. So I think I'm going to go more on the golden side because I don't know if the pinky tone is a little bit too much for this look. And we're just going to just have it here. I love this brush. This is the Spectrum B05 brush, and it is so good for just putting on highlighter. Okay, so I finished my look. I put on my mascara and lip gloss. I'm just taking the fixing spray in Cucumber just to set that all in. Woo, that is cooling. That is cooling. But yeah guys, this is the final look. So what do you think? Is this look popping? I feel like very like starships were meant to fly. This was something I did. I wanted it to be very simple, but then I thought, why not be daring? The colours are there. Let's try them out. So before we close this video, let's just hear a little bit about my giveaway. Also guys, I'm doing a huge giveaway because I went to their event and I got so many goodies. So you can win this whole bag, guys. In this bag we have the multi-line Nude, which is what I use to line my lips. We have the Lemon Drizzle eyeshadow palette. We have the Violet eyeshadow palette. We have the Angel Heart highlighting palette. We have the Hidden Triple Baked highlighter, quite illuminated. We have the Chocolate Elixir Glow. We have 5 lippies for you, all in crazy colours to create a sparkling unicorn look. And of course, the I Heart Revolution Unicorn Sparkle Body Mist. Gotta smell good, guys. So to win all those goodies, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, follow me on my Instagram, and leave a comment on this video and on my Instagram page. I'm gonna list the competition details down below just in case you forget. And that's it, guys. You could be winning yourself some lovely goodies. And I'm gonna have this competition running for 2 weeks, so you've got ample time to win those lovely goodies. But that's all, guys, and thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, why not give it a thumbs up? If you think anyone can benefit from this video, I'll be happy if you just share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the list of the links down below. But I guess that's all, guys, and I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay, what? Bougie.